What is the SEM strategy for SEO? Imagine you have a beautiful website, but it's hidden in the digital shadows. That's where SEO, search engine optimization, comes into play. SEO is like planting a seed. You nurture it, and over time, it grows into a healthy tree, producing organic traffic. But here's the kicker. It takes time. Now, let's turn the spotlight to SEM, search engine marketing. It's your instant espresso shot. Want immediate traffic? SEM places your brand right in the search results, but it does come with a price. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Businesses in the US spend over $40 billion on SEM ads annually. That's right. This competitive marketplace means you've got to strategize. SEO is a marathon, while SEM is a sprint. Keep your pace for long-term growth versus the thrill of immediate results. Think of SEO as a puzzle. Perfecting the pieces, keywords, content, links, takes dedication. Let's talk costs. SEO may require time and expertise investment, while SEM demands budget agility. What's your marketing strategy? Want to race ahead? Use SEM to capture the spotlight while your SEO game strengthens invisibly in the background. Imagine your ad popping up at the right moment. That's where SEM shines. Tailored ads can mean the difference between being an online ghost and a sought-after choice. But don't ignore SEO. It builds brand authority over time, and who doesn't want that? Using effective keywords is how you tap into the minds of your audience. Pick phrases that your audience is already asking. You can do this by doing searches around your product. Look for a section in the search results showing questions people commonly ask, and naturally integrate them into your content. This is where you bridge organic and paid strategies. Strong synergy means better visibility. Now picture this. You've recently launched a product. SEM can give you that immediate push. Drive traffic today. But remember, fostering relationships through quality content will pay off in the long run. Here's some good news. You don't have to choose one over the other. Combining SEO's lasting impacts with SEM's speed is your golden ticket. You can adjust your SEM campaigns in real time based on results. Track clicks, conversions, and engagement like a hawk. It's all about staying one step ahead in the digital race. Want to captivate your audience? Create engaging content that builds trust and drives engagement. May it be through SEO blog posts or eye-catching SEM ads. Demand is high. Be the choice. Are analytics your new best friend? Because you need them to supercharge both your SEO and SEM efforts. Regularly track performance to fine-tune your strategies. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a deep breath. Focus on small, actionable steps. Start with keyword research and design content that speaks to your audience's needs. Want to conquer both worlds? Keep refining. Go through tutorials, courses, and tools, letting you understand your audience better. The digital landscape is forever evolving. Staying informed means staying relevant. So what will it be? Embrace the slow, steady climb of SEO or sprint into action with SEM. And remember, why not mix them for explosive visibility? Let's bring it home with this. Every digital marketer has the same ultimate goal: visibility, engagement, and traffic. So how do you plan to make your mark? Let's delve deeper into the world of SEO. Think about the algorithms of search engines. They're like secret recipes that evolve continually. Understanding how they rank websites is crucial. Regular updates and changes mean that what worked yesterday may not work today. This is why SEO isn't just a one-time task. It's an ongoing commitment. Let's break down some essential components of SEO. First, there's on-page SEO, which includes optimizing individual pages on your website. This encompasses title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and the overall content quality. Remember, Google loves fresh, informative, and engaging content. And don't count TikTok out. They have major plans around search. Next, we have off-page SEO. This is where backlinks come into play. The more reputable sites that link to your content, the more credibility you gain in the eyes of search engines. Building relationships with other bloggers and websites in your niche can greatly enhance your backlink profile. And don't forget about technical SEO. This involves ensuring your website is crawlable and indexable by search engines. Factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and secure connections, HTTPS, are critical for a good user experience and search engine ranking. Now let's discuss SEM in more detail. It's not just about throwing money at ads and hoping for the best. A successful SEM campaign requires meticulous planning and execution. Start with keyword research to determine what terms your audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find relevant keywords that align with your business goals. Once you have your keywords, it's time to craft compelling ad copy. Your ads should be engaging and include a clear call to action. Experiment with different ad formats, such as responsive search ads, to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitoring and optimizing your SEM campaigns is vital. Use A/B testing to determine which ads perform better and adjust your budget allocation accordingly. Keep an eye on your quality score. Higher scores can lower your cost per click and improve ad placement. In the realm of digital marketing, understanding your audience is paramount. Conduct surveys, analyze user behavior, and utilize social media insights to get a clearer picture of who your customers are. Tailoring your SEO and SEM strategies to meet their needs will lead to better engagement and conversion rates. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of local SEO. If your business has a physical presence, optimizing for local search can connect you with customers in your area. Ensure your Google My Business profile is complete and accurate. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews, as these can significantly influence local search rankings. As you venture further into the digital marketing landscape, consider the role of social media. While it may not directly impact SEO rankings, social media can amplify your content and drive traffic to your site. Create shareable content that resonates with your followers, and don't shy away from using paid promotions to increase reach. Content marketing is another crucial aspect that ties back to both SEO and SEM. High-quality, valuable content not only helps with SEO, but also serves as a foundation for your SEM campaigns. When users find your content helpful, they're more likely to engage with your brand and share it with others. Let's not forget about the importance of mobile optimization. With a growing number of users accessing the internet via mobile devices, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly is no longer optional. Google prioritizes mobile-optimized sites in its rankings, so make sure your site offers a seamless experience across all devices. Finally, remember that the world of digital marketing is dynamic. Stay up to date with the latest trends, tools, and technologies. Attend webinars, read articles, and participate in forums to keep your skills sharp. In conclusion, whether you choose the steady approach of SEO or the quick results of SEM, or better yet, a combination of both, the key lies in understanding your audience, setting clear goals, and constantly analyzing and refining your strategies. Embrace the challenge, stay adaptable, and watch as your online presence flourishes.